Another Death & Company cocktail today, and this one we get to step up our rum to something a little more funky. Today we'll make the Great Pretender by Thomas Waugh, and for this one you'll need cinnamon syrup, vanilla syrup, lime juice, pineapple juice, and Smith Cross Rum. We're going to put a cinnamon sugar rim on our coupe, but I'll wait to do that until the drink is made so we have a cold coupe straight from the freezer. We'll build this in a small shaker tin with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon syrup, half an ounce of vanilla syrup, half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of pineapple juice, and 2 ounces of Smith Cross Rum. Before we strain it, I'm going to rim half the glass with a cinnamon sugar. Let's try it. I can't think of a moment where I've ever had Smith & Cross served up in a coupe, so it was a little bit, I was excited for it, but also a little bit worried about it. But at its essence, this is kind of like French toasty and banana Fosters in a coupe. The cinnamon and the vanilla play with those banana tropical fruit flavors from the Smith & Cross, and you get just that little bit of sharpness from the lime juice, but nothing too strong, nothing too acidic. And that pineapple juice just adds a little bit more acidity, a little bit more sweetness, but it's not really coming through as a pineapple drink. It's just sort of being something that accentuates those tropical fruit flavors from the Smith & Cross. If I had a tropical bar of my own, this would be on the menu. It's simple, it's elegant, we're highlighting the spirit. All of the flavors come through, nothing steps on it, nothing muddies up the other flavors of the drink. And I think, but I've had Smith & Cross in a daiquiri several times, but this is totally different. This is just more of a complete drink that highlights Smith & Cross without it overtaking every aspect of the cocktail. So that's it for this one. That's the Great Pretender from Death & Company. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below, consider subscribing to the channel, check out the Patreon page if you want to support this channel, and otherwise, see you on the next one.